Welcome to the channel. Today, we're answering 10 of the most important questions about the most fascinating planet in the solar system, our home, planet Earth. Question number 1. How did Earth form? Earth was born about 4.5 billion years ago, from the same cloud of dust and gas that formed the Sun. Tiny particles collided and stuck together, growing into a massive planet that became our home. Question number 2. Why is Earth the only planet with life? Because it has the perfect balance, the right distance from the Sun, liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a magnetic field that protects it from deadly solar radiation. Question number 3. What is Earth made of? Earth has 4 main layers. The crust, where we live. The mantle, hot, flowing rock. The outer core, liquid iron and nickel. The inner core, solid metal, hotter than the Sun's surface. Question number 4. Why do we have day and night? Because Earth spins around its axis every 24 hours. When your side faces the Sun, it's day. When it turns away, it's night. Question number 5. Why do we have seasons? Because Earth is tilted by 23.5 degrees. As it orbits the Sun, that tilt makes different parts of the planet receive more or less sunlight, creating summer, winter, spring, and fall. Question number 6. How did Earth get its water? Scientists believe it came from icy comets and asteroids that collided with Earth early in its history, releasing vast amounts of water that filled the oceans. Question number 7. What keeps Earth's atmosphere in place? Gravity. It holds the air tightly around the planet, forming an invisible shield that keeps heat in and protects us from space debris and harmful radiation. Question number 8. How old is life on Earth? The earliest signs of life date back 3.5 to 4 billion years. They began as simple microbes in the oceans, and over time, evolve into all the incredible forms of life we see today. Question number 9. What causes earthquakes and volcanoes? Earth's crust is made of giant moving plates. When they collide, slide, or pull apart, they cause earthquakes, and when magma escapes from inside, we get volcanoes. Question number 10. What will happen to Earth in the future? Earth will keep changing. Continents will shift, species will evolve. And after billions of years, when the Sun becomes a red giant, Earth might lose its oceans or even be consumed by the expanding Sun. Earth isn't just a planet. It's a living system, perfectly designed for life. In the next episode, we'll travel to another mysterious world and discover its secrets. Which planet should we explore next? Tell me in the comments below.